What if I told you that right now there are AI tools quietly making ordinary people up to $500, even $1,000 a day, completely on autopilot? But here's the catch. Only a few people know about these tools, and today you'll be one of them. Stick around because number 7 will blow your mind and could replace your 9-to-5 job for good. Before we dive in, let me tell you about Mark, a regular guy working 60-hour weeks at a job he hated. Last year, Mark discovered just one AI tool you're about to see, and within 3 months, he was making more than his day job, working just 2 hours a day. So if Mark can do it, imagine what's possible for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 10 AI tools are helping people earn passive income, how each one works and who it's best for, and how to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Ready? Let's get into number 1. First up, Copy AI. If you're tired of writing endless blogs, ads, or product descriptions, let AI do it for you. Freelancers are using Copy AI to create sales pages, social media posts, and even ebooks, then selling that content to clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly through cold outreach. Some are earning $100 to $300 per project, stacking up to $500 per day easily. Next, Synthesia. Imagine making professional videos without ever showing your face. With Synthesia, you type your script, choose an AI avatar, and it talks for you. Perfect for YouTube channels, training videos, or selling video services to businesses. People are charging $50 to $200 per video, and companies love paying for this because it saves them time. Number 3, Pictory. Want to run a faceless YouTube channel? Pictory turns your text into engaging videos with stock footage, music, and voiceovers. Some channels are earning thousands in ad revenue just by using AI to pump out consistent videos in niches like motivation, finance, or tutorials. Number 4, Jasper.ai. This is like having a team of writers on demand. Small businesses pay good money for blog posts, email newsletters, and marketing copy. People use Jasper to deliver high-volume content fast and charge a premium for quick turnarounds. Number 5, Midjourney. AI art for profit. Midjourney is blowing up. This AI tool generates stunning images and artwork from text prompts. You can sell AI-generated art on Etsy, Redbubble, or as NFTs, or design print-on-demand products like t-shirts and mugs. Some artists make $5,000 per month or more with nothing but AI. 6. ChatGPT. Freelance assistant. Yep, you're watching me, but you can use ChatGPT too. Offer services like writing, research, social media posts, scripts, or customer support templates. Clients love the speed and quality, and it's an easy $50 to $200 per day side hustle you can scale. Lumen 5. Turn blogs into videos. Here's the mind-blowing one. Lumen 5. This tool converts blog posts into shareable videos. Bloggers and companies pay hundreds to repurpose their written content into video format for social media. It's passive. Just input the link, customize visuals, deliver, and get paid. 8. Murph.ai. Pro voiceovers. Number 8. Murph.ai, an AI voice generator. Voiceovers are in demand for ads, YouTube, audiobooks, and podcasts. You can sell realistic AI voiceovers to businesses. No expensive studio needed. A few clients per week could easily net you $500 to $1,000. 9. Runway ML. This is like having a Hollywood editor on your laptop. It lets you do complex video edits automatically, removing backgrounds, adding special effects, or creating shorts. Video editors using Runway save hours and get more clients faster. Finally, Dolly. Create unique designs, logos, or illustrations for marketing agencies. Instead of paying a designer $100 per hour, you can generate variations with AI, tweak them, and deliver faster. Some freelancers are landing repeat clients with this simple trick. Closing. How to start. Listen, the secret isn't just knowing these tools, it's using them wisely. Start with one or two that fit your skills, like content writing, video creation, or art, and build up your side hustle. The sooner you start, the sooner you can wake up to payments rolling in while you sleep. Call to action. If you found this helpful, smash that like button to help more people see it. Comment AI money below if you want me to drop a free step-by-step guide on exactly how to set up your first gig using these tools. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next big opportunity to make money online. Until next time, keep learning, keep hustling, and let AI work for you. See you in the next video.